The DATAPixx3 has four key functions. First, it serves as a control unit for a number of our products, including our projector and eye tracker. Second, it has onboard memory and a variety of specialized ports for data acquisition at very high sampling rates. Third, it is equipped with ports for transmitting signals to other systems. And finally, the DATAPixx3 can optionally synchronize your data acquisition and transmission to specific events detected in your video signal. Here is a typical layout of a DATAPixx3 with some of our other devices connected. The display is a ProPix projector. There is also a ResponsePix digital button box and a TrackPix3 2 kHz eye tracking system connected. The DATAPixx3 is used to control and configure all of these systems. It provides a single point of communication with your PC via USB and is the main device the user interacts with in software to control and record from these systems. While it is possible to use the DATAPixx3 as a standalone video and signal hub, for example with a third-party display, it is a mandatory component of our ProPix and TrackPix research systems. The DATAPixx3 is designed with high-speed data acquisition in mind. The specialized ports on the back include a dedicated DB25 type port for up to 24 digital TTL inputs. TTL, or transistor-transistor logic, is a rapid, binary signal used to communicate between devices. Our ResponsePix button boxes, for example, use TTL to record participant input at a higher sampling rate than a typical USB keyboard. Certain imaging systems, like MR scanners, also use TTL to communicate events in their scan cycle. These can be recorded by the DATAPixx3 on the same clock as other events. We also support recording analog input. Our analog I/O port has 16 dedicated input channels. Analog is great when you need to send a continuous signal, for example, from an EKG system, force plates, a gyroscope, or a joystick. We can also record audio and microphone input on two 3.5mm stereo audio jacks. By the way, if you have an older model of our device, you may not have access to all of these features. Light models sold before September 2023 can be field upgraded to unlock these capabilities. Contact our sales department for more details. The DATAPixx3 has onboard memory for storing and passing signals to other systems with fully deterministic timing. We have dedicated 24-channel TTL output that can be used to send event triggers to other systems like MEG or EEG interfaces. These triggers can help you keep track of the timing of your experiment in your neurophysiological data stream. We provide analog output on 4 channels of our analog port. If you are using a TrackPix3 eye tracker, these channels can be configured to stream gaze data directly to another piece of recording equipment. We also support audio storage and playback via a 3.5mm stereo audio jack. One of the advantages of using the DATAPixx3 to manage your signal playback is that the DATAPixx3 can synchronize your output to events detected in the video signal. The DATAPixx3 sits in the video pipeline between your graphics card output and your display. The system can be configured to monitor your video signal and listen for specific events. When those events are detective, you can start signal acquisition, send triggers or other playback, or just save a timestamp for future reference. When these synchronization features are combined with one of our displays with fully characterized timing properties, this allows for consistent, microsecond precise video synchronization. The DATAPixx3 has one other cool feature. It can pass a copy of your video signal to a secondary monitor. This console display can be used as an experimenter view. The advantage to a console is that it provides a method of monitoring progress without adding any load to your graphics card. This concludes our product tour of the DATAPixx3. Don't forget to check the video description for links to our product data sheet and our website. Did you find this helpful? Do you want to see more videos like this for our products? Don't forget to like this video and leave us a comment on the VPixx products and features you're most interested in learning about.